What's up YouTube? It's time to unbox the Google Pixel 4 XL. As you guys already know that this device has been launched a couple of weeks ago. And this device is the world's first device which have a radar present inside. So before jumping into the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it so you can get an awesome videos. Also hit the bell icon as well so you can get notified for every latest video which I upload. So let's jump into the video, and the variant today I'm unboxing right now has a 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, and it is coming in just black color. The first thing which we're gonna encounter is the device itself, and it is in a black color and wrapped in plastic. So removing the plastic from the device, we have the device itself, and it's looking gorgeous from the front. If we look at the physical overview of the device, we are seeing that on the front of the device we have a 6.3-inch OLED display. Along with that, we are seeing a Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front of the device. A 90Hz refresh rate will be present inside, which is awesome from Google. And the last thing will be an 8 megapixel of selfie camera holding on the top of the chin. And as you see, the device will not be a completely bezel-less. It will have a chin on the top and the bottom of the device. Moving towards the back side of the device, well, we have two camera setup on the back side. We have a 16 megapixel telephoto lens which is support with 2x zoom, and the second camera is of 12.2 megapixel main camera. Along with that, we are seeing an LED flashlight and a laser autofocus on the back side. The back side is also covered with gloss, which is kind of surprising because the other two variants have a matte finish on the back side. On the right side of the device, well, we have a white color power button and a volume up and down button. On the left of the device, well, we have SIM ejector tray there. On the bottom of the device, we have a dual speaker grill and a Type-C port. The headphone jack support has been removed in this variant of Google Pixel 4 XL. On the top of the device, we have a noise cancellation mic and nothing else. Let's look at the SIM situation of the device and then move towards the box itself. We have a single SIM slot present inside the device, and this is kind of surprising for me because in such a price range we are finding dual SIM slot in 2019 in most of the phones. There is also a support for eSIM, but having a physical SIM will be an awesome feature. Now let's move towards the box of the device and see what other things we have got inside the box. We have a card box as well inside the box, and this card box has some startup guides and a SIM ejector pin inside. The next thing in the box, we are seeing there is the Type-C to Type-C as well, which is kind of a first thing which I am seeing right now, that there is an all Type-C cable present inside the box. Next thing, we have a USB to Type-C OTG inside the box. And the final thing which is coming in is the 18 watt of fast charger, which is kind of again surprising for me because 18 watt of fast charging in such a high price device is not justified with the price of this device. So moving towards the device, while the device is setting up, let's see what we got under the hood on Google Pixel 4 XL. So the first thing will be the processor. Well, the processor which is coming under the hood in Google Pixel 4 XL is Snapdragon 855, and there will be two variants which are coming for the Google Pixel family. Is a 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, and 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. There will be a 3 color option: just black, also orange, and pure white. The battery which is coming inside the device is 3700 mAh, and we have got an 18 watt of fast charging support inside it. Well, if we look at the device itself, it is coming with the stock Android support inside, and the 90Hz refresh rate is pretty much awesome. I'm loving the 90Hz refresh rate because I have tested different devices just like the OnePlus. It has a 90Hz refresh rate and it's looking impressive. If we look at the software side of the device, well, the software has much of the cool features. There are new gesture controls inside the Google Pixel 4 XL. Also, we will be seeing there is an improvement in the night mode as well. We will see a dedicated night mode present inside the Google Pixel 4 XL. The software which is running inside the Google Pixel 4 XL is the Android 10, which is latest from Google. And if you are owning a Google Pixel device, you will be very happy because every new Google update which is coming on the Android side will be available in these devices. In terms of camera, as you guys already know that the Pixel family is really awesome because they are optimizing the software so much. So even the single cameras present on the Pixel 3X takes an impressive images. Inside the Google Pixel 4 XL, we are seeing a night sight, a portrait mode, camera mode, video mode, and some other stuff. We would not be seeing any wide angle shots inside the Google Pixel 4 XL because there is no dedicated wide angle lens on the back of the Pixel 4 XL. So if we look at the details of the images which I have taken right now, and they are looking impressive. The software optimization is great for the cameras, and they are providing some of the cool detail of the device. The front camera is also awesome. The optimization I have told you earlier of the software is really good, and we are seeing some detailed photos of the subject very clearly. So in terms of biometric, we are not seeing any kind of a fingerprint scanner inside the device, not the physical fingerprint scanner and not the in-display fingerprint scanner in Pixel 4 XL, because there is only one option which Google is saying will be more secure. Just like Apple, you will be seeing only face unlock in Pixel 4 XL. I have set it up real quickly, this device, for the face unlock. Whenever I put my face in front of the device, it unlocks pretty quickly. The unlock speed is impressive, as it is the secure and only option for us in terms of biometric to unlock our device. So the last thing is the price of this device, and right now the Black Friday sale is over the internet, and we are seeing that the base variant is right now $200 less than the original price of the device, and you will get the variant of 6GB and 64GB internal storage in just $699. So if you want to buy this device, I have a link in the description below for the Amazon. You can just click that link and buy this device from there. It will be a nice help from you, because I will get a little commission if you buy this device from my link. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.